Okay, data structures in SAP. What are these? Across the landscape, we have client-specific data and cross-client customizing. Now, what is this basically? We can define this as a client that is a unit within SAP, which has its own business and organization data. It is characterized by the fact that it has its own environment, transactional data, and user data. So we have like three levels of data: environment, transaction data, and user data. Client data is client specific data. Okay. Now, if you go and check SE11, this is a table MARA. Let me just open SAP and I'll show you. And then we have another table. Okay, SC11. Mara. Display. Now, what is this table? This is a general material data. It has client number, client. If you see, this client is your system landscape. Material number, data division of Mara. Now, some of these fields in this table are key fields, which are important fields that identify a record, a piece of data. Okay. Those records make that record significant. And what is that key field? Key field which is unique, and the material number, of course, will be unique and mutually exclusive as well. It cannot be replicated. Okay. Then initialize means that these fields will be filled. These cannot be empty. Initial data will be there. So you cannot see a material without having a material number. So no material data will exist without a material number. Okay. TVARF. Now this is the next table. TVARF. Now this is table of variables in selection criteria. Now selection means whenever we are trying to search a field or any piece of data, it shows us a search box, a pop-up of search box, and it has these fields. Now, these are the fields, these are the key fields that identify a set of record. Okay. And these are the most essential mandatory fields because these are initialized and cannot be empty. Okay. Now, these are programs that are cross-client available to all of the landscape. Okay, the next table is repos RC. Now this is report source code. Okay, and over here we have quite a lot of fields that will not be empty, and ABAP program name. We can go into and see environment, data browser, table contents, execute. So we have these programs, okay, available to us in our landscape. Okay, if I double click any of these, it will show me what is the program, okay, what is the database number, what is the version, okay, when it was made, okay, and this is its basically encryption data encrypted format. Okay, so moving ahead, let's go ahead. This is another user table, data table. And we can also have a look at it. Display. Log on data. When did the user log on and what was the user name? We can go into more environment, data browser, table contents, execute, and we have these many users in our system. Okay. Repo, the central store for all ABAP development objects. Repo objects are grouped together to form packages. So objects, programs, data include subroutines, functions, all will be grouped and packaged for another server. So packages are containers. Okay. So we have landscapes like client 100, 200, and then we have objects like configuration data for all the modules. And if we talk about the layers, ABAP is stationed and positioned at the middle layer, which is the application layer. Okay, all applications in SAP are developed using ABAP. It's an event-driven program, and that events are triggered. Okay. Now in ABAP, we will be looking at the editor, data dictionary, screen painter, menu painter, and we'll be going through these one by one. SE11 is for tables, SE38 is for writing the program logic. Okay. So in SE93, we will see this package, SE93, VF03, and we have this package VF. Double click, display the billing document. This is the transaction code where we see what package is basically running this T code, transaction code. So this is an application package, okay, and it's for billing invoice. Who can use it? These are the interfaces that are available in this package. In package, we have different kinds of programs clubbed and packed together, okay? So this is one way to look at many aspects of your objects, okay? So packages are created by the basis team. Okay, we have this program, right? The input was right justified, right p name, right end, menu bar, front end, editor, Z demo, start of selection, the input was right justified, selection screen output, right p name. You do write me this program and record it and show it to me in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.